I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility, Arduino model and camera module. Connect power first. Many modules need 3V, so use a regulator or level shifter to protect pins. Once power is stable, wire the camera's SDA/SCL or SBI lines to Arduino's I2C or SBI pins respectively. Make sure ground is common. Then install the Arduino IDE and the camera library. This gives you the functions to initialize and stream frames. Once done wiring and installing libraries, open the example sketch tailored for your module. Change board and serial port, then set resolution and data format in the code because higher resolutions need more memory and slower transfer. Upload the sketch and monitor serial output to verify the camera ID and successful initialization. If using SBI, set the correct CS pin. If using I2C, confirm the address. Make incremental changes and re-upload to avoid confusion. You now capture a test frame and examine it. Either stream via serial or save to an SD card to confirm image integrity. If frames drop or look corrupted, reduce resolution or increase buffer size in code, and make sure communication speed matches your wiring. Finally, if nothing works, check power rails and common ground first because incorrect voltage or missing ground causes most failures. Swap cables and recheck pin mappings before changing code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.